to 10 knots. Waves 1 foot. Sunday night, west winds 5 knots. Waves less than 1 foot. Monday, northwest winds 5 to 10 knots. Waves 1 to 2 feet. The latest... The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flood warning for southwestern Fairfax County in northern Virginia, the northeastern city of Manassas Park in northern Virginia, central Prince William County in northern Virginia, until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 3:15 p.m., the stream gauge on the Bull Run near Manassas Park indicated flooding was occurring along the stream. At a stage of 12 feet, water covers backyards in the Yorkshire area and some items may need to be relocated to higher ground. Portions of the trail system along the stream may also be flooded. Some locations that will experience flooding include Sudley and Manassas Park. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. This is the No Weather Radio All Hazards Station KHB36. 10 miles an hour. Monday, mostly cloudy. Highs in the upper 40s. Tuesday, partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-40s. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flood warning for East Central Fauquier County in northern Virginia, Central Prince William County in northern Virginia, until 10:15 p.m. Saturday. At 4:11 p.m., reporting gauges indicate flooding is imminent on Cedar Run near Ayden. At 10 feet, Fleetwood Road floods near Cedar Run. Some locations that will experience flooding include Ayden. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the Washington metro area and the surrounding. North at 9 miles an hour. For Richmond, partly sunny skies. It was 42. At Roanoke, cloudy. Temperature 39 degrees. This is a test of the All Hazards NOAA Weather Radio Warning device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built weather radios will be automatically activated to warn of the impending hazards. Tests of these radios and the warning alarm system will be conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm system will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will only be activated for warnings in selected watches affecting the listening area. The 11 a.m. observation in Washington. At Reagan National Airport, partly sunny skies. The temperature was 42 degrees Fahrenheit, or 6 degrees Celsius. Dew point 25. Humidity was 50%. Winds were northwest at 13 miles an hour, and the barometric pressure was 30.15.